Hello my dear friends, hope you all are doing good. Myself Anshu Agarwal, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering, ANA Group of Institutions, Bareilly. Today I am here with you all to explain you about the importance and the concept of 3D printing in the field of mechanical engineering. See, before understanding the concept of 3D printing, we should know that why the 3D printing is being introduced and it is into existence. For that, we need to go behind. In the early times, you all would be very familiar with that. When we used to develop anything, initially we used to make the drawing. Then the second step was that drawing was being converted into a model. We generally say it is a prototype. And then later on, after testing the several parameters over the prototype or the model which we say, it was converted for the practical use. But what happened in between? Suppose if there was an error while making a model or a prototype, then it would have led to the total wastage. And mind it, that wastage was not only of the money, that was the wastage of the manpower, that was the wastage of the time as well. And as you all know, that time is money, so we required a machine, or we can say a technology that used to save the time, used to save the money, and would give us the accuracy as well. So the concept of 3D printing came into existence. So what happened? 3D printing suddenly made the things very easy. And now we can say that each and every task has become very easy by making use of the 3D printing, because it is saving the time and it is giving us the accuracy as well. So basically, if we describe that how to make a model or a prototype, it can be drawn or it can be made by making use of two methods. The first method is the additive method, and the second method is the subtractive method. So in subtractive method, what we do, we take a block and then we remove the material over that block to form a shape or to form a prototype. So if we need to make a very small model through a block, then there is a wastage also, because if we are subtracting the material over a block to fabricate a design, then that is subtracting a lot of material from that block. So hence we can say that it is a wastage. But subsequently we can say that we cannot ignore that method also. But that is not appropriate for all of the things. So an additive method came into existence. And in additive method, what we did? In additive method, we made use of the material to add on layer by layer and construct a model. So here comes the concept of 3D printing, and basically 3D printing is the making of physical object from the 3D digital model, that is by making use of a software like CAD or very familiar software you would be knowing. And what happens here? We generally put the layer by layer of a material, and the material I will describe you later that what kind of material we make use of in the 3D printing. And that layer by very thin layer by layer material gets over and over, and we get a very typical design. So 3D printing is capable of making very typical designs as well. So what 3D printing is doing? 3D printing is basically converting the digital object to the physical form by making use of the materials that I have described to you earlier, and it is making use of the additive manufacturing process. So by this method, we are getting the accuracy, we are getting any kind of shape, any kind of desired shape. Our limitations has been extended, and if we talk about the traditional model making or the traditional prototype making, there it was a risk and it was a difficulty too of making the complex design. But that complexity can easily be achieved, can easily be resolved by making use of the 3D printing. In continuation of this, I will show you a very small animated video, and through that we can easily know that how a 3D printer works. And later on, believe you me, you will be very surprised to know that this technology is very much capable in making any kinds of design, and the parts of the 3D printing machines are being self-generated, or you can say they are being made by the 3D printer itself. That means what? If you have a 3D printer at your home or at your industry, you can make many 3D printers by making use of that machine, because the parts that are being utilized in those machines, perhaps maybe of plastic or some other kind of material, they can easily be made and later on assembled to create a 3D printer. So now let's see a video, and there I will describe you that what are the key elements of the 3D printing machine and how it works. For the printing machine, we have the filament that is used for making the additive manufacturing. It can be plastic, metal, ceramic, or even chocolate as well. The second element, we have the print plate that can move up and down in any direction. The third, we have the print head. This print head can also move in any direction. This print head has a heating filament that bears the plastic and heats for melting. That melted material then comes out of the point and gets the layer on the print plate. This print plate, after making the first slice, moves a little bit downwards and then creates the second slice. Then, slicing by slicing, the desired shape that we have made over the software is achieved, and the various slices get combined to create a simple plastic model. So friends, I believe that the video was quite interesting and informative as well to make you easily understand that how a 3D printing works, and at the same time it gives you the importance of the 3D printing in the field of mechanical engineering. So my advice to all you is that keep going through the topics, keep going through the new technology that is emerging in the field of mechanical engineering, as it is always going to make you successful in the upcoming times. Because the time that is coming, that is only of the technology. And if you keep yourself updated with the technology, then definitely you are going to success in all your field. So keep learning and keep growing. Best wishes from my end for your bright future. Take care. Bye-bye.